Let me guess, NIS2 compliance lives in a spreadsheet, or maybe 3 or 5 spreadsheets, and when an auditor calls, your team panics. I have good news for you. You don't need spreadsheets anymore. StartComply puts your entire governance, risk and compliance on one platform. Risk assessment, gaps, remediation, policies, vendors, all of it live on one screen. You do not need to be a GRC expert to use it. If you can read, you can run it. That is the whole point. It is self-guided, no consultants, no 6-person project, no 6-month rollout. You go live in days. And it actually speaks your language: Greek, Bulgarian, Romanian, Polish, Czech, German, with French, Italian, Portuguese and Dutch on the way. Good luck finding that in another platform. You also get our favorite tool, a vulnerability scan that checks your vendors for you, even the big ones who never bother to answer your questionnaire. We fight attacks every day, and honestly, we got tired of clumsy and expensive platforms. That's why we created our own. It's called StartComply, and now it's yours to try it.